In this video, I will show you exactly how to add professional menus using the built-in templates found within CorelDRAW. This feature is part of the Artful Dining series, where we focus on creating beautiful layouts for restaurants and events, without having to start from a blank canvas every single time. To begin the process, you first need to launch the CorelDRAW application on your computer. Once the software is fully loaded and you are looking at the welcome screen, move your cursor up to the top menu bar. From there, you should click on the File button, and then select the option labeled New from Template. This action will open up the template browser window, which contains a wide variety of pre-designed assets for you to use. Once the browser is open, navigate over to the left sidebar menu. Here you can find different categories to narrow down your choices. You should select the Menus category or the Brochure section depending on your specific needs. If you find yourself in a hurry or cannot see the right category immediately, you can simply type the word Menu directly into the search bar at the top of the window. Take a moment to browse through the various layouts available, such as elegant single-page cards, classic bifolds for traditional dining, or even corporate catering trifolds that provide plenty of space for detailed descriptions. After you have found the perfect design that matches your aesthetic, all you need to do is click the Open button. CorelDRAW will now load a fresh and completely unedited copy of that specific layout onto your workspace. Now you are ready to start customizing the text, adding your own food photography, and adjusting the colors to perfectly suit your brand.